A very good morning, class. In previous lecture, we have started with multiplication of integers, and in which we have come across the exercise 1.3, right? 1.3, and in that also we have discussed till question number 7. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
today,
yes, ma'am.
okay, before starting anything, please start question number 13. Please start question number 13. Have you cancelled? The question is not wrong.
Yes.
The question is based on quadratic equation, where you will be dealing with how to solve squares of numbers, but still you have not learned how to do simple square questions, right or wrong? Right? So we will be dealing this question in class 8, or where you will be learning how to solve squares. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So cancel question number 13. Any confusion now why we have cancelled it? The question is not wrong, but the topic or the base of this question is not related to this chapter or class 7th. Beforehand, see, if you अगर स्क्वायर्स का क्वेश्चंस करना है तो स्क्वायर्स का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट भी तो पता होना चाहिए, राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be dealing a number of these types of question in next class. Okay, so now coming back to question number 8, right? So let's start with the screen sharing, so that if I have to solve any question, we can solve it simultaneously, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm now switching off my camera so that everyone's mobile is also visible. Wait, something has happened. Is interrupting. Okay, no problem. Let's see. So we will be dealing with this. Find the smallest integer so that 5 into 12 into n is the product of 3 consecutive integers. So means, first of all, let's see what is the result. If I take 5 into 12 into n, it's 60n. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's find out the prime factors. What are the prime factors? Can you tell me what are the prime factors of 60? So that we can know which are the numbers which are making it multiply. What are the factors? 2, 3, 2, 5. Yes or no? 2, 2, 3, 5. Yes or no? Check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 2, 2, 3, 5. Then if 2, 2, 3, 5 is equal to 60, but we only require 3 consecutive numbers. Yes or no? But we only require 3 consecutive numbers, right? So let's see, 3 is one number, 5 is one number. 2 can't be because it's consecutive, but 2 and only 3. So if I combine 2 into 2, it's 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, beforehand, everyone knows the meaning of consecutive numbers? सबको consecutive numbers का मतलब पता है? Yes or no? If you don't know, I will be telling you.
Ma'am, we don't know.
No.
No, ma'am.
एक के बाद
No,
एक.
ma'am.
Listen to me what I'm saying. एक के बाद एक मतलब 1 2 3. If you are saying 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are two consecutive number. 1 2 3 consecutive, one after the other in the series. One after the other in the series. एक के बाद एक. समझ में आया? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I rearrange my what's happening? Why this? If I rearrange the prime factor, so 3 4 5 is one of the three consecutive terms. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Can you hear me? 3 4 5 are the three consecutive terms or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When 3 4 5 are
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see the LHS side and RHS side. 5 into 12 is 60. 3 into 4 into 5 is 60. Complete. So which, in order to equate the LHS side and RHS side, please switch off the speaker. In order to balance out RHS side and LHS side, which number we require that the result does not change? What number should be substituted by n? कौन सा नंबर n की जगह लगाना लिखना चाहिए कि हमारा ये इक्वेशन सही बन जाए?
Ma'am, 1.
1. So what we have, if we substitute n equals to 1, then what will both the RHS and LHS will be equated? And
Yes, ma'am.
so what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
smallest required number here? What is the smallest number required here? 1. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, let's move to the next concept then. Okay. A watch is getting, first read the question. A watch is getting slow. Next question, okay? I think this is the next question. Right? A watch is getting, anyone please read? Read the question. Okay. A watch is getting slow by 2 minutes for each hour a day. If it shows 10 a.m. now, what shall be the time after 12 hours? Okay. Before that, let's understand one thing. Okay. Before doing anything, let's understand one thing. There's a clock. Okay. There is a watch. And the watch is getting 2 minutes, means if it is 10 o'clock, it is 10 o'clock. And after 1 hour, it will be 11 o'clock. Yes or no? But when it is 11 o'clock, it's slowing by 2 minutes. So what's the time now? What's the time though? Then on the watch? Class?
Ma'am, 10:58.
10:58.
I'm 10:58.
So like this, if 12 hours are passed, what will be the change? Acha, after 12 hours, can you tell me what will be the time on the watch? First time on that watch. See, again I'm writing. Listen to me very clearly. At 10 o'clock and after 12 hours, it will be 22. Right or wrong? Yes?
Yes,
and 22 means how much?
Ma'am, 10 o'clock.
10 p.m. 10 p.m. Yes or no? Now, another thing. After every 1 hour, 2 minutes are getting slowed. Right or wrong? Right? We are getting So
Yes,
after
ma'am.
12 hours, how much time it will be getting slowed? 2 into 12?
24.
24.
24.
That means when I will be reaching 10 p.m., my clock will be showing 24 minutes less. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the time then? Right or wrong? Like this? So
9:36.
9:36 p.m. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you understood the concept of the question? Any confusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think we cannot see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm showing you the screen again. Now can you see? Again I'm explaining. 10 plus 12 is equals to 22 hours and 22 hours is 10 p.m. Can you see now? 10 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
10 p.m. And 1 minute is after 1 hour, that is 2 minutes. So after 12 hours, it will be 2 into 24. So if I am at 10 p.m., how much time I have gone by? 24 minutes, right? And due to 24 minutes, what is happening? The time is moved back to 9:36 p.m. Please switch off the speakers. And if the concept is clear, please say. Is it clear?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see the fill in the blanks question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see the fill in the blanks question which I have skipped by mistake. So let's see. The question is saying dash multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 96. Right? Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
if I substitute x, 2x is equal to minus 96, will I be wrong?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
x
ma'am.
will be equal to how much? Minus 96 divided by 2.
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am.
So how much will be the answer?
Yes,
You will be,
ma'am.
you all will be telling me. How much will be the answer?
Ma'am, minus 48.
Minus
48.
minus 48. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do the
Yes,
rest
ma'am.
of the parts? Can you do
Yes,
the rest of
ma'am.
the parts? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then come to question number 11. Question number 11. What? What does the question say? In a quiz-based program, there are 3 teams. Yes? A, B, C. Total 5 rounds of the game are there. For every correct answer, they are giving 20 marks. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
For every wrong answer, they are deducting 10 marks. That is minus 10. And for not attempting, they are not deducting any marks. Yes or no? See? Now
Yes, ma'am.
let's see. Now what is the saying? They are saying that no marks are deducted for not. Now let's see how much team A has scored, right? Now team A has answered how many correct?
Ma'am,
How many correct?
Ma'am, 3 correct answers.
3 correct. That is 3 into 20 marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus how many wrong? How many wrong?
Ma'am, 2.
2. So that means this much only, because only there are 5 rounds, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much A has scored? How much A has scored? How much A has scored?
40.
60, 3 to the 6, 60 minus 20, right? And that is equal to 40. So remember that team A has scored 40. Now, how, in the same manner, can anyone tell me how much team B has scored?
Ma'am, team D has scored 2 correct answers and 2 wrong answers.
Okay. So, am I right? Who is crying? Who is crying? That means 2 plus 2, 4. 1 is not attended. 1 question they have not attended. 1 question they
Yes,
have not attended. Can I know whose speaker is on that? My voice is vibrating with that. Okay. So, am I right in writing the format for team B? So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the answer? So 40 minus 20 plus 0. Yes? And that makes us how much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 20.
20 marks. Okay. Now let's see for team C. Team C is how much?
Ma'am, 3 correct to 1 wrong answer, and ma'am didn't attempt 1 question.
So 3 into 20. 1 is wrong.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
is wrong. So minus 10 and 1 into 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much?
Yes, ma'am.
How
Ma'am,
much?
60 plus minus 10.
60 minus 10. And that's equal to how much? 50.
Ma'am, plus 0.
Yes, plus 0. That's equal to
Ma'am, 50.
50. So who scored more?
Ma'am, team C. Ma'am, team C. Ma'am, team.
So any confusion with this type of question?
No, ma'am.
Can you do the
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sorry, can you do the 12th one by yourself? Because see, the concept of 12th question and 10th question is same. Read it. Read it and then tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
okay. Then with this, let's come to question number 14 because already we have cancelled 13. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh.
we have to cancel only 13 questions.
1, 3.
Okay, ma'am.
I have already told. Okay. Now, 14th one. To conduct a science experiment, it is required to conduct a science experiment, it is required to decrease the temperature from 36 degrees Celsius at a rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour. What will be the temperature 10 hours after the process begins? It is same as like the watch one, yes or no? ये वॉच वाले क्वेश्चन की तरह ही सेम है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you will be telling I will be writing or I will be speaking and I will be only writing. What do you want?
Ma'am, we will be telling.
Okay. So should I open the paintbrush?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, okay, what should I write? See, okay, I'm starting with. See, actual temperature is how much?
36 degrees Celsius.
Huh?
36 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Ma'am, 36 degrees Celsius.
Yes, 36 degrees Celsius. Am I right? Then, after every 1 hour, after 1 hour, the decrease in temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
After 1 hour, the change in temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. So they are talking about how many hours? They are talking about how many hours? Huh?
10 hours. Ma'am, 10 hours.
10 hours. So after 10 hours, how much rate will be? 40? Will it not be 40?
10 minus
Yes,
4
ma'am.
into 10.
It will be 40. So what is the temperature difference then? What is the change in temperature? From 36 to minus 40, right? The temperature
Yes,
now is what? 36 degrees Celsius
-40.
minus 40 degree Celsius.
Celsius.
And that will give us how much?
-4 degrees Celsius. -4 degrees Celsius.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Understood. So now let's move to the last one, 15th one. 15th one is a conceptual based question. So you have to first very well read it. In a company, listen to this. In a company,
Is muting me.
huh?
Ma'am, Prabhati is muting me.
I have told when I will speak only, then only Prabhati can mute anyone. If I have asked a question and they are answering, then only she will not mute.
Ma'am, I was answering.
But I was reading the question. Right or wrong? When you have
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking yes or no. Okay? Let's back. See, there is a company whose sales target for each sales. There is a company. First, listen to the question. Understand the question. There is a company, and there are 10 salesmen. 10 salesmen. Okay, and each salesman has to reach a target of 16,000. So, how many 10 salesmen has to reach? How many? How much 10 salesmen has to reach?
50,000.
What? See, one salesman has
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
right
1
1
lakh
lakh
60.
67.
To
So 1
16,000.
lakh 60,000 is the total sales target. Yes or no? 1 lakh
Yes, ma'am.
60,000 is the total sales target, right? Total sales target.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, and sales target of one person is 16,000. Now read the first part. Read the first part. Read the first part. 4 salesmen achieved the target. 4 salesmen has achieved the target. That means 16,000 multiplied by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
there is a
ma'am.
condition. 6 salesmen have not reached the target but reached something which is less than 2,000. Means अगर if एक आदमी का 16,000 है तो अगर उसने रीच नहीं किया है तो कितना हो गया? By less by 2, one person is less by 2,000. So वो
Ma'am, 14,000.
14,000.
Ma'am, 14,000.
And in this way, how many person are there? कितने लोग हैं इसमें ऐसे वाले?
10.
कितने लोग हैं? देखो 10 में 4 ने अचीव कर लिया तो कितने बचे?
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am,
So
6.
6 have achieved 14,000. Yes or no? 6 have achieved the target of 14,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कितनी target they have reached? Can anyone calculate it? How much company target they have reached? See, 64 plus 84. Yes or no? 14 6 is 84 and 16 4 is 64. That is equal to how much? 148,000. they reach the real target?
No, ma'am.
Target.
No,
So how
ma'am.
much have not reached? How much is more required to reach the required target? That is
12,000.
12,000. Understood the first part?
Yes, ma'am.
Part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, see the second part. What does the second part say? Second part says that if the total target of the company is still 1,60,000 and if the manager reduces the workforce by 8, means now instead of 10, how many people are working? Instead
Ma'am,
of
8.
8. So
Ma'am,
each person's sales target will be what? Each person's sales target will be 1,60,000.
2,000.
20,000 or 2,000?
Ma'am, 20,000.
20,000. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So these were the questions which were given in exercise 1.3. We have done in 2 parts. If any of the question which you want I should repeat, please go through. I will be explaining it again. Any one of the question which you want to be repeated, I will be explaining it again. Just go through.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain the 15th question again?
This one only.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
15 question B part.
B part. Okay. They are saying, see, if the manager reduces the workforce to 8 salesmen, now instead of 10, how many are working?
Ma'am, 8 salesmen.
Okay.
Ma'am, 8.
They says that what should be the new sales target for each salesman? Means previously each salesman's sales target was 16,000, right? When the 10 were working, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Means does our total sales target changed? In the question, have they changed the total sales target? क्या उन्होंने टोटल सेल्स टारगेट चेंज किया? नहीं, वो 1,60,000
No,
है
ma'am.
या नहीं?
Ma'am.
देखो 16,000 कैसे आया था? अगर 1,60,000 को 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हर एक पर्सन का कितना था? 16,000 था.
Yes, ma'am.
इतना समझ में आया? आप बताओ 1,60,000 को अगर 8 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हर पर्सन का कितना होगा? तो अब वर्कफोर्स 10 नहीं है, अब कितनी है? 8 है. तो कितना होगा? Instead of workforce 10, now it's 8. तो कितना होगा? How much it should be?
20,000.
Understood now? आप समझ
Yes.
में? आप कौन सा क्वेश्चन का समझ में आया? या did you confused हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any other question? Which you want I should repeat? Anyone from the whole exercise 1.3? From the whole exercise 1.3? Anyone? No? Yes, my dear students, any question? So with this, then I can end the class? Can I end my class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
thanks
ma'am.
and have a nice day.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete your work in your classwork. We have completed 1.2, 1.3. A lot of work